Hi, Lee Summit Tigers. This is Jamie Volker, and I am the lead teacher of the PE department here at Lee Summit High School. I want to talk quickly about girls' team sports, which is a class that I have taught here for a long time, and I personally think is a great class. I really enjoy teaching it. I really enjoy the girls that end up taking the class. But first off, I want to back up. Remember, Foundations of Fitness is your required class that you have to take in the physical education department, and then you can choose from any one of these classes down here to satisfy your PE credit. And of course, here is girls team sports right here. The thing you need to remember, of course, is it's pretty self-explanatory. It is girls team sports, so it'll be a class with girls in it, and you can take it either in your 9th, 10th, 11th, or 12th grade. You can repeat the class if you enjoy it so much. We do play very traditional games such as softball and soccer, but we also play some non-traditional games and some fitness games. There are fitness days in this class, as there are for all PE classes, so just be aware of that. But in general, it's very simple. It's girls playing sports that are team sports. Okay, so we don't golf, we don't play tennis, we do not play ping pong. That's more of fitness for life. If you have any questions about any of our classes, again, my name is Jamie Volker, and I'd be happy to help. Thank you.